Hey guys, in today's video you'll be checking out some of the best ice cream maker machines available in the market. We have combined them according to their quality, capacity, price, user satisfaction and ease of use. You can find out more info about them in the description box below. Make sure to subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon below to be the first to know about any new videos. Ranking at number 7 we have Cuisinart Ice Cream Maker. Now you can make your favorite frozen yogurt at home in just 20 minutes or less. This is fully automatic Cuisinart frozen yogurt ice cream and sorbet maker lets you turn ingredients into a delicious and healthy frozen treat with no fuss and no mess. You can simply add your ingredients to the bowl and press on and the machine does the rest. The easy lock transparent lid with large spout makes adding ingredients simple and mess-free. At number 6 we have Dash Ice Cream Maker. You can customize your homemade ice cream by adding any flavors or toppings you want. The Dash My Pint Ice Cream Maker makes up to 1.6 cups of fresh ice cream. You can just freeze the cooling bowl overnight and pop in your prepared ice cream mixture in the morning. In less than 30 minutes you can enjoy homemade ice cream. Also take the included mixing spoon and eat your ice cream right from the cooling bowl. It has a one-touch button starts the appliance with no effort necessary so you don't ever have to monitor your ice cream. At number 5 we have Americana Ice Cream Maker. The Mr. Freeze Automatic Ice Cream Maker comes with a convenient freezable bowl that allows you to quickly make ice cream directly in the unit. You can easily turn on the unit to churn your ice cream recipe with a simple control panel. The 1.5 quart capacity provides just the perfect amount of servings for family and friends. The ice cream and dessert maker is simple to use. You can simply freeze the bowl overnight then add the ingredient mixture into the machine. And push a button and you'll have a tasty dessert in a short time. At number 4 we have Cuisinart Ice Cream Maker. The professional quality soft ice cream yogurt sorbet and sherbet is now available right at home with the Cuisinart Mix It and Soft Serve Ice Cream Maker. Not only does it make everyone's favorites but with 3 built-in condiment dispensers it makes them extra delicious. You can pull of a tab send sprinkles chips and other mix-ins down the chute to mix right into frozen desserts as cones or bowls are filled. The fully automatic soft serve ice cream maker with double insulated freezer bowl. At number 3 we have Whynter Ice Cream Maker. You can make delicious homemade ice cream that you can fully customize to taste with the Whynter Ice EM201 SB 2.1 quart upright ice cream maker. It is incredibly easy to use. You can create delicious ice cream rich creamy gelato and sorbet all in the comfort of your own home. It is designed with an upright small footprint profile. This space-efficient ice cream maker fits easily on any countertop. It comes with a removable stainless steel mixing bowl and BPA-free churn blade. It features a sleek stainless steel exterior and soft-touch LCD control panel that will accent any kitchen counter. It also features a built-in powerful compressor freezer that allows for continuous use without the inconvenience of having to pre-freeze the mixing bowl. At number 2 we have Americana Ice Cream Maker. The Mr. Freeze Automatic Ice Cream Maker comes with a convenient freezable bowl that allows you to quickly make ice cream directly in the unit. You can easily turn on the unit to churn your ice cream recipe with a simple control panel. The 1.5 quart capacity provides just the perfect amount of servings for family and friends. The ice cream and dessert maker is simple to use. You can simply freeze the bowl overnight then add the ingredient mixture into the machine. You can push a button and you'll have a tasty dessert in a short time. At number 1 we have Ninja Ice Cream Maker. The Ninja Creamy transforms frozen solid bases into ice cream sorbets, milkshakes and more at the touch of a button. Ninja's Creamify technology enables the creamy to break down a uniformly frozen block into an incredibly smooth creamy texture in minutes. From healthy to indulgent, the Ninja Creamy can create frozen treats as unique as you are. The Creamy is compact in size, allowing for seamless storage and fitting easily on your countertop. Now it's your turn. Let us know in the comment box below as this video helps you to find the best ice cream maker machines for your need.